Hello guys, we're starting sharks this week, so I found a really fun book that we're going to read about sharks. So thank you to Scholastic, our friends, for letting us read Surprising Sharks. So it's by Nicola Davies and it's illustrated by James Croft. So Surprising Sharks. Look at all those different sharks. The big one is a whale shark. Craziness. All right, surprising sharks. You're swimming in the warm blue sea. What's the one thing that turns your dream into a nightmare? What's the one word that makes you think of a giant man-eating killer? Shark! Uh-oh. Shark? Yes, it's a shark. It's a dwarf lantern shark. It's the smallest kind of shark in the world, just bigger than a chocolate bar. Not a giant, certainly no man-eater, and a killer only if you happen to be a shrimp. Look at the little bitty shark. You see, most sharks are not at all what you might expect. After all, who would expect a shark to have built-in fairy lights or blow up like a party balloon? So, like all lantern sharks, the black belly lantern shark has light-making organs on its tummy. They help it blend in with the silvery surface of the sea and avoid ending up as dinner for big fish. And swell sharks swallow water so when they get scared. They blow up to three times their normal size so that they stick fast between rocks. Then no predator can pull them out. So it's kind of like a puffer fish. Or lie on the sea floor like a scrap of old carpet. The Australian shark called a wobbegong. Its patterned skin matches the rocks and coral on the sea floor so it can sneak up on shellfish, crabs, and small fish without being seen. Or look like a tool from a monster's toolkit. So that's a hammerhead shark and a saw shark. In fact, sharks come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. Blue shark, cookie cutter shark, nurse shark, angel shark, goblin shark. Wowzers. How can such different animals all be sharks? Look carefully and you'll see all the things they share. They have a dorsal fin, a tail, a pelvic fin, a pectoral fin, gill slits, skin. So the gill slits are for breathing water. Skin as tough and scratchy as sandpaper, and fins and tails for swimming. So this is the outside of the body. The inside of the body, but it isn't the basic body plan that makes sharks. So inside they have teeth. They have rows and rows of spare teeth so that the shark is never without its bite. The jaws can pop through the mouth like a jack-in-the-box. Oh my gosh. And a bendy, boneless skeleton that helps it stop its sinking. So that's why sharks don't sink to the bottom of the ocean. Neat. It's the sharkish way they behave. Sharks are always hungry and they're always on the lookout for their next meal. Some even start killing before they're born. Some sharks lay eggs and even give birth to live young. But all baby sharks are just like their parents, with sharp teeth and the ability to hunt right from the start. So some sharks are oviparous, like we've learned about. Some sharks are mammals. Some sharks are viviparous, which is a whole nother story about that they lay eggs and then they're born as babies from the shark. So they lay eggs kind of in the belly and then they have the baby. So they do both. It's crazy. All right, so this is a sand tiger sharks give birth to just 2 live young, which is all that's left after those 2 have eaten the other 6 babies in the mother's belly. Ah! And then a dogfish can lay eggs called mermaid's purse, and they have strings that tangle in the weeds to keep them safe. So that's the mermaid's purse. It's a type of egg. Sharks' senses are fine-tuned, ready for the tiniest hint that there might be food. To a hungry shark, the faintest trail of clues is as clear as a restaurant sign. And when they're the close enough for the kill. They feel the crackle of their prey's living nerves, so they bite in just the right place, no matter what the prey, whether it's plankton or people. Oh yes, it's true. Some sharks do kill people, about 6 of us every year. But that's not very common, and they don't usually mean to. So basking sharks suck in more than 10,000 quarts of plankton-filled water in an hour. Plankton is the name for many kinds of tiny animals and plants that drift around the sea with the wind and the tide. All right, the great white shark is one of 3 species of sharks that attack people regularly. The other 2 are bull shark and tiger shark. In fact, only 30 of the 500 different kinds of sharks have ever attacked humans. Crocodiles, elephants, dogs, and even pigs kill more people every year than sharks do. So sharks aren't that dangerous. They usually don't mean to get people. But every year, people kill 100 million sharks for machine grease, a shark tooth necklace, cattle feed, shark skin wallet, aftershave, fertilizer, shark fin soup, shark skin shoes, shaving cream, or skin cream, and fish and chips. So we hurt them more than they hurt us. If you were a shark swimming in the lovely blue sea, the last word you'd want to hear is human! That's funny. All right, and then here's the index. Very cool. So there's some fun facts about sharks. Sharks have been on Earth for 300 million years and can be found today in every ocean and sea in the world. People see sharks as monsters, but of the 500 different kinds of sharks in the world, only 30 have ever attacked humans, and most feed on shellfish and small fishes. Sharks are predators. They kill only to eat and are as important in the sea as wolves, lions, tigers, and bears are on land. So those are some fun facts. All right, friends, I enjoyed reading this, and I can't wait to do some shark information research with you guys this week. I love you. Have an awesome day.